Okay, the next concept is the potential energy of a system of two charges. Okay, see here ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಂತ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿಗೆ ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸು? ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ we are going to see that what is the main relation between the potential energy and potential. So for that I am going to take the one charge. So this is a charge q1, one charge q1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. At a certain distance I am going to measure the potential. For example, now at a distance r, at this point what I will do, I will measure the potential. For that we know that the potential of the charge q1, that is v is equal to what? 1 by 4 pi x naught q1 by r. Due to because of the charge q1 we are measured the potential at a certain point. So if you can take c, that is the point p. A point p ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ q1, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ v ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 by 4 pi x naught q1 by r. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅಟ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಿ? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಸಿ I want to take a certain charge q2. It is at infinity. ಯಾವುದೊಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. I want to move this charge from infinite distance to the certain point. Infinite distance to the certain point. We know that. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಏನು? The work done on a charge to move from infinite distance to the certain point is nothing but what? Potential or electric potential. In the first class we have discussed. Now the work done to move a charge from infinite distance to the what? A certain point is nothing but what? Potential. How we are defined? See, this is the work. Here we are moving the charge. It displaces a certain distance. Now that we are taken as the work done. Which one is doing the work? Charge is doing the work. Work done by the charge. That is equal to what? Potential we were taken at the point P. At the point P. At the point P is potential ಇದೆ. So how we are defined that potential? The work done to move a charge from infinite distance to the certain point P. It tells the potential at the point P is equal to W by Q1. Okay. Now at the due to because of the single charge, what we know that now we have moved this charge from this position to this position. Now this is the charge at q2. Okay, due to because of this charge there is a certain potential is there due to because of the charge q1. ಈ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ q1 ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆ, and we are bring out the water this charge q2 to the point p. In that case we are taken the potential energy. So ಆ ಒಂದು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು potential energy ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. How we have considered this potential energy? See this equation. From this equation W is equal to V is equal to W by Q. Therefore W is equal to what? V into Q. But here Q is what? Q2. Charge ಯಾವುದು? Q2. We can write Q2. Therefore W is equal to V ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 1 by 4 pi x naught into Q1 by R into what? Q2. Therefore W is equal to 1 by 4 pi x naught Q1 Q2 by R. So this is the work, total work. This work is nothing but what? Energy. Capacity to do work is nothing but what? Energy. So that we are indicated as U. Which energy? Potential energy. Therefore that is U is equal to 1 by 4 pi xl naught q1 q2 by r. So due to because of the another charge we are placed at the point q2, sorry at the point p we are placed the charge q2. Observe carefully. Therefore u is equal to 1 by 4 pi x naught q1 q2 by r. This is the potential energy, not the potential energy. Okay, see here I will give the another example for that. Suppose in the mechanics that we already studied, there is a spring is there like this. Okay, and here it is in the normal position, so or a mean position. Okay, what I will do, I will push in this direction. In that case what happens, it will compress like this. So here what we have applied, there is some force we are applied and we have moved a certain distance, yes, therefore the work is equal to F into S you have taken, means the work done is nothing but a force into displacement. In this case what happens, it processes the certain energy, that is the potential energy is equal to F into S we have taken. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, the potential energy at the certain position when it is compressed, in that case force into displacement, that potential energy is equal to F into S we written. In the same way in case of the charges at a certain position, how we are defined the potential energy due to because of the two charges ಯಾವುದು Q1 ಮತ್ತೆ Q2 ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ Q1 ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆ, 1/4πx0 Q1/R ಇದೆ. Now I will bring the another charge Q2 to that position. In that case it will do certain work. So in that case it is having the potential V is equal to W by Q2. So from this equation W is equal to what? V into Q2 we get. That V we already know the value, that is 1/4πx0 Q1/R1. If you can substitute, we get the potential energy. So the W is nothing but what? Work is nothing but what? Energy. The capacity to do work is nothing but energy. So that is the energy that we are indicated with U. U indicates the potential energy is equal to 1/4πx0 Q1 Q2/R. So this is the potential energy due to because of the system of two charges. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ? two charges ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. In the same way, so in the next we can go for the system of more than two charges. ಇದೆ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿನ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಅಂತ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ.